Hey you guys, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So today what I'm going to be cooking is chicken breast and broccoli potato casserole. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get straight into it. So what I had was I had a whole broccoli and I just pretty much cut it to where the stems are not on there because this is what's going to go over the chicken. Next I'm adding some Rotel tomatoes, just a small little can, and a whole package of mozzarella cheese, pizza cheese. It doesn't really matter what kind of cheese you use, but definitely you want shredded cheese. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. One tablespoon of garlic powder. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then you want to squeeze a whole lime inside the mix as well. Add about 3/4 of melted butter. And just stir everything in. And you can store the mix in the refrigerator until your chicken is done. I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Next, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Want to make sure you have enough to season the back as well. Now, when I was first trying to do this recipe, I was originally going to put it inside of a pizza roll dough and then have like the broccoli and the cheese under the chicken and then the chicken on top of it, and then I was gonna wrap it inside of a pizza dough and then put it in my air fryer. But the pizza dough was just, it didn't want to cooperate with me, so I did not even try to attempt to do it. I just went with the next best thing, and this is what I came up with. So this right here, you can put it in your air fryer. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add my chicken on my air fryer. I put it in the air fryer on 375 for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it on the other side because it's still going to cook some more once we add the broccoli and the potatoes together. And then once we're done, we'll put it back in the air fryer for another 10 minutes. And if you're using your oven, you'll just put it on 375 for about 10 minutes. Now my potatoes, I actually microwaved them. I put them in a bowl and I submerged them in water until they fully was soft. And then this is what I'm doing now. I pretty much have a glass pan and I'm opening them up. And then we'll add our toppings on top of it. Now, if you did the seasoning exactly the way I did it, don't add any kind of salt or all-purpose seasoning on your potatoes, because the seasoning that's inside the chicken as well as the broccoli and cheese, it already has enough salt. So trust me, you don't want to add any more salt. All you need is pepper. So I'm using about a teaspoon of black pepper. Add a tablespoon of garlic powder. Then I have about a cup or maybe a half a cup of butter. And you kind of want to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on your potatoes. That way it can give it a nice cheesy taste. Now that our chickens are done, we're going to lay our chicken on top of the potatoes and then add our broccoli and cheese with the tomatoes. And at this point, you can add more cheese on top of it if you want to. Once you're done with this, you can put it in your air fryer, your conventional oven, your oven, any of those. And you can put it on 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Now, if you want to slow cook it, you can do 375 for 15 minutes. And this is what it comes out to look like. I added some bacon bits on top and some green onions as well. And it really did bring out the flavor in it. And I'm also going to add some sour cream on top. And this is the final touches. What do you guys think of it? Would you eat this or would you try this? It was really, really delicious. I enjoyed it as well. I will definitely try this again. Probably I might shred the chicken next time than having it whole. But like I said, I wasn't planning on making this dish at all. It just pretty much came up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe today and comment down below. Thanks for watching, you guys. Love you.